Welcome back to Pro Wheelhouse, where we bring you the latest and most iconic updates from the automotive world. Today, we're taking a nostalgic yet futuristic ride into the all-new 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ, a legendary name reborn with modern engineering and classic soul. The legend returns. For decades, the Hindustan Ambassador symbolized Indian road royalty. Once dubbed the King of Indian Roads, the Ambassador faded into the background in the 2010s. But in 2025, Hindustan Motors has revived this iconic sedan with the 1800 ISZ, a refined blend of heritage styling and contemporary tech. The boxy silhouette remains, but now it's sharper, sleeker, and unmistakably premium. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Ambassador 1800 ISZ houses a 1.8-liter inline-4 petrol engine, tuned for efficiency and urban comfort. Delivering around 120 horsepower with a smooth 5-speed automatic transmission, the car is more about refined cruising than raw speed. It's front-wheel drive, with enhanced suspension for a plush, steady ride perfect for Indian city roads and highways alike. Exterior elegance. The new Ambassador maintains its regal stance, with retro-style round LED headlamps, bold chrome accents, and a solid build that pays homage to the original design. At the same time, modern touches like 16-inch alloy wheels, LED DRLs, and dual-tone color schemes make it instantly recognizable on today's roads. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and the 1800 ISZ surprises you. The dashboard features a 10-inch infotainment touchscreen, digital instrument cluster, and premium leather upholstery. Rear seat space is generous, with ample legroom, improved AC vents, and noise insulation for a luxury class experience. The vibe is unmistakably old-school royalty, blended with modern-day convenience. Safety and features. Safety hasn't been overlooked. Dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and optional traction control make the new Ambassador a reliable choice for families. ISOFIX mounts and a reinforced body structure also bring it up to today's safety expectations. Pricing and verdict. Expected to launch at a starting price of around Indian rupee 1214 lakhs, the 2025 Ambassador 1800 ISZ targets nostalgic buyers and new-age drivers alike. It's not about speed or tech gimmicks, it's about timeless presence, comfort, and national pride on wheels. Final thoughts. With the 1800 ISZ, Hindustan Motors isn't just reviving a car, they're reigniting an emotion. Stay tuned with Pro Wheelhouse for more automotive heritage and innovation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.